Arrest me for what? Kind of thing? They ain't gonna arrest me for nothing.
Ladies and gentlemen.
What's up, YouTube? We out here at a car meet. It's my homie Jabori. It's lit out here. There's hella people out here. We smoking hookah. Shit's fun. I wanted my shit.
All blacked out?
Yeah. There's some heat out here, but nobody's really doing no crazy moves with the cars and shit.
Couple donuts, couple burnouts, that's about it.
That's about it.
That's about it.
Here's that black Challenger I've been trying to get in the video for a minute. He finally showed up. Them fucking wheels. Look at that shit. Wish I had those on mine. We out here Challenger gang.
You like that, yeah?
Oh, yeah, right.
Barry, who's gonna look at the car? Don't do it. You're gonna embarrass yourself. You're gonna embarrass yourself. Don't do it. I'm gonna put that shit on YouTube, bro. I'm telling you. Nah, hell no. He crazy?
You still heel flip? I can heel flip. Nah, not no more. And not in these. You bugging.
This nigga right here thinks he can skate.
Volkswagens don't have KC.
He gonna fall.
Y'all see the boy at the mall with bitches? Of course I got bitches. You got both of them? No.
None?
None. 0 bitches.
Straight up virgin, bro.
I heard you like shopping.
Holy shit, boy.
Go ahead, get in there.
And it's over. Cops. This shit is over. Cops stopped it. Of course. The damn cops showed up, shut down the show. It was lit though. It was lit. We had fun. Cops always gotta ruin it. And what's worse is when they showed up, they came straight for us, checking our tires to see if we did it. Such is life. If you like this video, let me know that you like it and I'll record more shows. Get those posted up as soon as I can. I'm trying a bunch of different stuff to see what really sticks with my channel and what my viewers like. So leave a comment, let me know what's going on. Like, comment, subscribe. Catch you on the next one. Peace.